Here are the three labor federations operating in the Philippines. First is the Associated Labor Unions, or ALU. It is established in 1953. The Associated Labor Unions, or ALU, is among the oldest and largest labor federation in the Philippines. Its main objective is to safeguard workers' rights and enhance their welfares across different industries. ALU focuses on crucial issues such as minimum wage, job security, and social protection programs. ALU has been led by influential figures, including former Senator Ernesto Herrera, who served as the organization's president. Herrera played a vital role in advocating for labor reforms and played a key part in the passage of Magna Carta for Labor in 1989, which significantly strengthened workers' rights. ALU has achieved significant milestones within the labor movement. Through successful collective bargaining agreements, the Federation has secured improved wages, better benefits, and enhanced working conditions for workers. ALU has also actively engaged in legislative advocacy, resulting in the passage of laws that safeguards workers' rights and promotes social justice. ALU faces various challenges such as the prevalence of contractualization and the erosions of workers' rights. The Federation actively campaigns against contractualizations and calls for stricter enforcement of labor laws. ALU encounters resistance from employers and faces policy barriers that restrict collective bargaining and limit the exercise of workers' rights. Number 2, National Confederation of Labor. Founded in 1978, the National Confederation of Labor, or NCL, strives to uphold workers' rights, social justice, and economic equality in the Philippines. The federation represents workers from diverse sectors including manufacturing, agriculture, services, and the public sector. NCL has been led by various individuals who have contributed to the labor movement. Notable attorney Sonny Matula, as the organization's president, has been actively involved in advocating for workers' rights, representing labor cases, and engaging in policy advocacy to address labor issues. NLC has achieved significant victories in advancing workers' rights. The Federation has effectively organized strikes and protests, resulting in improved working conditions, wage increases, and the protection of workers' rights. NLC has also lobbied by legislation that provides better social protection and benefits for workers. NLC faces challenges such as inadequate enforcement of labor laws, insufficient social protection, and the erosions of workers' rights. The Federation tackles these challenges through legal advocacy, organizing campaigns, and collaboration with other labor groups and civil society organizations. For number 3, Federation of Free Workers, or FFW. Established in 1950, the Federation of Free Workers works towards safeguarding workers' rights, social justice, and democracy in the Philippines. FFW represents workers from various sectors, including manufacturing, services, and government employees. FFW has been led by notable figures such as Attorney Jose Sonny G. Matula, who serves as the organization's president. Matula actively advocates for labor reforms, workers' rights, and engage in policy advocacy to address labor issues. FFW has achieved notable success in protecting workers' rights and promoting social justice. Through collective bargaining negotiations, the federations has secured better wages, benefits, and working conditions for workers. FFW has also influenced legislation that enhance workers' rights and welfare. FFW face challenges such as contractualization, inadequate social protection, and the erosion of workers' rights. The Federation's campaigns against contractualization seek stronger enforcement of labor laws and encounters resistance from employers and policies barriers that impede workers' collective bargaining rights.